the takeaways, for me primarily was that so much is unresolved. Payment mechanisms, the final policy surrounding meaningful use, all of those things today seem to be still up in the air, and so it's hard to plan and strategize with the absence of clear defined objectives. And so I think that was the primary takeaway for me.
You asked some questions. How did you feel the answers came back to you?
Well, my question specifically was about whether AARP was endorsing the concept of getting rid of pre-existing conditions as a qualification for insurance. I don't think she really answered the question. I think she answered a different question, so I kind of remained sort of unresolved on that. But I do think, in healthcare reform, in the legislation that I've seen, it is front and center, at least in the House package, and I think it's very important because I think in our country, where healthcare insurance is employer-based, that single qualification for insurance is probably the most dangerous piece of policy in this country for people between that age of 50 and 64 that she was referring to. The value is you don't know what you don't know, and so coming to events like this kind of give you an opportunity to see if your understanding of policy is in keeping with other people in the industry, and two, the opportunity to occasionally find that pearl of wisdom or thought that had eluded you and you weren't able. So again, you don't know what you don't know, and having the opportunity to come to events like this helps you round out your portfolio in terms of understanding of what the industry trends are.